I'm Kate Simpson and I'm the Community and Events fundraiser for Henshaws Charity. Henshaws is a northern charity based in Yorkshire and also supporting people across the Manchester area. And that's everything from our college facilities to our outreach groups. We are even in hospitals at the point where people receive a diagnosis about their visual impairment. So we're supporting people in every way possible, hopefully to live independent and fulfilled lives.
So today Belzona's here with Henshaws and we've come down because we're helping out and do some facilities maintenance repairs. So we've picked out a couple of areas around the site. So we've got a step repair where the nosings are starting to become worn over time. And we've also got their bike rack, which is a concrete area which is slowly starting to degrade. So we're going to rebuild and fix these areas and provide new systems to protect them in the future. So the old grip systems currently are just a metal strip on the surface, so we're removing those. We're completely replacing it with the Belzona system, which is a grip system which is built into the step itself. After we've removed all the old concrete, make sure it's dry and rough. And now Phil's just applying the conditioner and filling in the areas that have been damaged with the Magnum series of products. That'll give us a perfect edge for us to then apply our new grip system on top of it. So we've removed the old bike rack sections and now we're going to just finish off removing that loose layer. It's concrete, so it's naturally a rough material anyway, so we're going to make sure it's clean and dry before we put the Belzona product anywhere near the application area. Well, yesterday we finished all of the surface preparation, so we cleaned all the concrete, all the steps, and now we're going to start applying the Belzona products. Henshaws have asked for it to be as visible as possible, so we're incorporating the aggregates into the product, the mixed product, before we apply it to the surface, and this keeps that visibility but still provides the same level of anti-slip protection. In this case we can apply it onto the concrete directly, no need for any other preparation after what we've done yesterday. But there's no reason why you can't apply it onto metalwork. You could potentially also apply it onto the brickwork as well, which we're not doing in these steps but we are doing on the other steps. Concrete tends to break up quite easily, it absorbs moisture and it's quite difficult to do repairs and they don't always last a particularly long time. So Phil's using Belzona 4131 Magnum screeds at the moment, so the idea with this is that it does last and it doesn't readily absorb moisture or chemicals. But it's also got good tensile strength, which is something concrete doesn't have.
The whole work that you've done makes the place look fresher, cleaner, nicer, but it's more than that, it's knowing that it's safer as well. It's the products that you've used that will actually not just affect the aesthetics of the grounds but the safety of them, which is the most important thing.
This application we're doing for now for the charity should really help them in the future, and it's really good for us to be out in the local community to have some sort of an impact on this such a local charity to us.
When you guys come and do this kind of work for us, you bear the cost, and obviously that means that as a charity we get to spend that money in the places that they will appreciate it most. So what you guys put into these sorts of jobs financially is really appreciated by the whole charity, and I hope we're good enough at telling you that.